In this video, I'm gonna make it quick. You see these soles? I'm finna turn it back crispy. Shout out to Soul Bright from Angles. Thanks for the sponsorship. You need this, a brush, some saran wrap. You take your shoe and you apply it lightly on the shoe. I'm finna show y'all. You see? Look, y'all. It's a little too much. Get your breath. Look, go around. Go around all the spots. Don't worry about it. Get all the spots that you want to oxygenate. That's oxygenation. When the shoe's sitting up, yeah, they need to fix it. We spending all this money. And we gotta do this to get our shoes. And these been sitting up. You notice the longer they sit up, they'll turn white or yellow. They give you a yellowish color. Yeah, that ain't cool. But we ain't gonna really speak too much. But this'll do one shoe. You wanna just glide it over slow. Make sure you get the whole thing. It's easy, see? Now look. Get it on the side. Everywhere you want it to be crispy. Don't forget that front part, right? Don't forget that front. Can't forget that front part. Yeah, all right. See? You can really see it. Now you can use UV lights. Me, I like to let Mother Earth do her thizzle. You dig? Now, the shoe is covered. It could have been a little better. Look, you can see the difference already. Like, you can literally see the difference. Now, take your saran wrap, wrap your shoe. Feel me? You just shoot the shoe. And the saran wrap. Cover them up. Make sure you get the whole thing now. Make sure you get the whole shoe now. Once you get the whole shoe, you do your other shoe like that. You do the other one like that. And you're good to go.